What's up guys, I'm Sky from JSL. I have here with me 9 awesome accessories to enhance the looks of your Toyota Raize. Now we're gonna put on the accessories I showed you earlier on this 2021 Toyota Raize right here. Alright, now that we've put on all the accessories on the Raize, now let's take a closer look at each and one of them. So right here we got a nice front molding just under the grille. Looks pretty great over there. And over here to the right we have a headlight garnish that kind of makes the headlight pop a little more, right? Then over here, supporting the headlight garnish, we got a nice trim going on, following the flow of the body of the Raize, making it look really flush. And you know, our famous mirror caps always makes the car pop a little more. Right in the door side, we have nice matte black door covers, door handle covers, and also a nice trim inside it here, just to match with it. Just inside, in the interior, we got a little door sill action going on over there. Nice little touch, says Raize. Right in the rear here, we have a gas cap cover, says Raize. Also distinguishes the car, pretty nice touch. Now we're back here, we got the tail lamp garnish. Really nice to match the front from earlier. And of course, we got 2 sets of them for the outside and the inside of the car. And last but not least, on the side, we do have some nice door moldings over here. Makes the lines of the Raize flow a little better. And that's it. Alright guys, so that's 9 accessories that makes your Raize pop a little more. You can get them at jsl.com. Check us out.